Hey everyone, welcome back, and this time let me show you how we can get the iPad outside of the kiosk mode, right? So basically the kiosk mode is the guided access feature, which gets triggered by triple clicking the side button or the power button. So for example, the iPad is open up in the Safari and it's supposed to display one website. So to get into the kiosk mode, you triple click the power button. Like this, the guided access has started, and now I'm unable to leave the app, right? I cannot go to the home screen or do anything else. So to get outside of this mode, you have to perform the same thing. So you triple click the side button again. 1, 2, 3, like that. You type in your passcode, which by the way doesn't necessarily have to be the one you use to unlock your device. You could have set up a different code specifically for this feature. So you just type in the code like this, and then now you can either change the settings for this guided access / kiosk mode, or just make sure to click on the end button in the top left corner. Like this, guided access has ended, and then now, as you can see, I can leave the app, be on my home screen, or do whatever else I want, simply because I get outside of that mode. So I hope it helped. Let me know what you think about this below in the comments. If you have some additional questions about this, definitely leave them there. Subscribe so you don't miss videos and tutorials like this one, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.